Alrighty guys, we're going to change a Hyundai key here. Common problem where the buttons wear out. Is it there? There you go. First thing you got to do is pull off all the old button pads. I'll just use a little screwdriver. Just like that, just rip it all off. Yeah, this plastic part comes off here, and then we can put this rubber part on the plastic and push that back in. So we'll do that now. We'll grab a little screwdriver, just kind of work that up like that. Just kind of work your way around. Do both sides like that. Perfect. And this here has a little lip. You just want to get that onto this. Just work your way around like that. Yep. Now we've got that on there. Just like that. You just want to push that in. Make sure it's lined up well, like that. And then you just push it in. That's it. New buttons. Beautiful.